Assalamu alaikum, alaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum. I am a student at SCIL, and in the second part of SCIL Summer Quest, we are going to talk about a STEM project. One of the most interesting science projects is making a volcano at home. We should try to do the experiment outside in a dirt mound or gravel so that it looks more like a real volcano and it's easier to clean up. You can also do the experiment in a tray so that the ingredients don't spill outside. To make a volcano, first I will tell you the materials we need. Number 1, a short plastic or glass cup. Number 2, water. Number 3, 4 to 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Number 4, 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Number 5, 1 teaspoon of any food color, but I used orange for the lava. Number 6, 1 cup of vinegar. The first thing we have to do is combine the base ingredients in the cup: water, baking soda, dish soap, and food color. Now it's time for the eruption. Start pouring vinegar into the cup until the combination starts foaming over and spilling the lava onto the mound. If the eruption is not intense, add more vinegar and baking soda. Hope you enjoyed the volcano as much as I did. Assalamu alaikum.